初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the check-in counter?
Where is the check-in counter?
值机柜台在哪里？
Where is the check-in counter?
Where is the check-in counter?
I have an early flight today.
I have an early flight today.
我今天有个早班飞机。
I have an early flight today.
I have an early flight today.
Here is my passport and ticket.
Here is my passport and ticket.
这是我的护照和机票。
Here is my passport and ticket.
Here is my passport and ticket.
I need to check this bag.
I need to check this bag.
我需要托运这个包。
I need to check this bag.
I need to check this bag.
How many bags can I take?
How many bags can I take?
我可以带多少件行李？
How many bags can I take?
How many bags can I take?
Can I carry this on board?
Can I carry this on board?
我可以随身携带这个吗？
Can I carry this on board?
Can I carry this on board?
What's the baggage limit?
What's the baggage limit?
行李限额是多少？
What's the baggage limit?
What's the baggage limit?
Is this flight on time?
Is this flight on time?
这班飞机准点吗？
Is this flight on time?
Is this flight on time?
I'd like a window seat, please.
I'd like a window seat, please.
我想要一个靠窗的座位。
I'd like a window seat, please.
I'd like a window seat, please.
When does boarding start?
When does boarding start?
什么时候开始登机？
When does boarding start?
When does boarding start?
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Do I need to take off my shoes?
我需要脱鞋吗？
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Should I remove my laptop?
Should I remove my laptop?
我需要拿出笔记本电脑吗？
Should I remove my laptop?
Should I remove my laptop?
There's a water bottle in here.
There's a water bottle in here.
这里有个水瓶。
There's a water bottle in here.
There's a water bottle in here.
Sorry, I forgot about the liquids.
Sorry, I forgot about the liquids.
抱歉，我忘了液体规定。
Sorry, I forgot about the liquids.
Sorry, I forgot about the liquids.
Is this the security checkpoint?
Is this the security checkpoint?
这是安检处吗？
Is this the security checkpoint?
Is this the security checkpoint?
Please step through the scanner.
Please step through the scanner.
请通过扫描仪。
Please step through the scanner.
Please step through the scanner.
My bag was pulled for checking.
My bag was pulled for checking.
我的包被抽检了。
My bag was pulled for checking.
My bag was pulled for checking.
This is just my medicine.
This is just my medicine.
这只是我的药。
This is just my medicine.
This is just my medicine.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Where is gate 12?
Where is gate 12?
12号登机口在哪里？
Where is gate 12?
Where is gate 12?
Is this the boarding gate?
Is this the boarding gate?
这是登机口吗？
Is this the boarding gate?
Is this the boarding gate?
Are they calling my group now?
Are they calling my group now?
现在在叫我的登机组吗？
Are they calling my group now?
Are they calling my group now?
Can I board early?
Can I board early?
我可以提前登机吗？
Can I board early?
Can I board early?
I think that's my seat.
I think that's my seat.
我想那是我的座位。
I think that's my seat.
I think that's my seat.
Excuse me, that's my window.
Excuse me, that's my window.
打扰一下，那是我的靠窗位。
Excuse me, that's my window.
Excuse me, that's my window.
Can we switch seats?
Can we switch seats?
我们可以换座位吗？
Can we switch seats?
Can we switch seats?
Where can I put my bag?
Where can I put my bag?
我的包可以放在哪里？
Where can I put my bag?
Where can I put my bag?
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
请系好安全带。
Please fasten your seat belt.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
When will we take off?
When will we take off?
我们什么时候起飞？
When will we take off?
When will we take off?
I feel a little nervous.
I feel a little nervous.
我有点紧张。
I feel a little nervous.
I feel a little nervous.
When will we land?
When will we land?
我们什么时候降落？
When will we land?
When will we land?
I need to use the restroom.
I need to use the restroom.
我需要用洗手间。
I need to use the restroom.
I need to use the restroom.
Do I have to fill this form?
Do I have to fill this form?
我需要填这张表吗？
Do I have to fill this form?
Do I have to fill this form?
Is this immigration control?
Is this immigration control?
这是入境检查吗？
Is this immigration control?
Is this immigration control?
I'm here for vacation.
I'm here for vacation.
我是来度假的。
I'm here for vacation.
I'm here for vacation.
I have nothing to declare.
I have nothing to declare.
我没有要申报的物品。
I have nothing to declare.
I have nothing to declare.
Where is baggage claim?
Where is baggage claim?
行李提取处在哪里？
Where is baggage claim?
Where is baggage claim?
I can't find my suitcase.
I can't find my suitcase.
我找不到我的行李箱了。
I can't find my suitcase.
I can't find my suitcase.
My luggage is damaged.
My luggage is damaged.
我的行李损坏了。
My luggage is damaged.
My luggage is damaged.
I'm finally here.
I'm finally here.
我终于到了。
I'm finally here.
I'm finally here.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。